Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can collect taxes on Shopify. Now first thing you want to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now this is a very quick and simple video. So what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on taxes and duties. Alright, now as you can see here guys, you will find here a list of countries. Now you want to select a country where you want to collect taxes. Okay, so if you are targeting United States, you want to, that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, just find United States. As you can see here guys, click on it. Now, like first thing you need to do guys, as you can see, when you reach $100,000 in US sales, you will be charged 0.35% for each transaction. Okay, that's the fee, that's the transaction fee when you reach $100,000 in US sales each year. Okay, now here it says, if you scroll down here, it's like collect in new region. Now you want to select a region, for example, let's say that Arizona, for example, and here you have to enter here the sales tax ID. Okay, now the sales tax ID is going to be different for each region in United States. So you will have to register, okay, with the Arizona Tax Authority. As you can see, when collecting sales tax, it says here make sure you are registered with Arizona Tax Authority when collecting sales tax. Now that's exactly what you need. You want to register. That's the only problem here. That's the only hard thing here, is to register with tax, with that state. Okay, so that you can get this sales tax ID. After you get the sales tax ID, paste it here, and then after that you want to then after you get sales tax ID, paste it and then click on collect sales tax, and you will be able to collect taxes for sales tax for Arizona. Okay, now you can also add a new for example, you can add another region. Let's add, for example, here, just like let's go with let's go with California. And what you can need to do guys again is to make sure to register with California Tax Authority. So I'm not going to go in details how you can get this sales tax ID, because each state is going to be different. So after you add here this sales tax ID, that's exactly, then you can start collecting taxes from that state. Okay, you can make a lot of changes here. For example, you can check here. You can also click here. It says uncategorized products. Now, if you have multiple products and you want to collect different, each product is going to be it will collect different amount. For example, you can do that here. So where it says, as you can see, I'm going to go back to settings. You want to click on taxes and duties, and then scroll down and make sure you click here. It says global settings. You can also click here. It says include sales tax and product price and shipping rate. Click on save. Okay, now like I said, you just need to find a country where you want to select, where you want to collect taxes, and then you can then add the state or regions here. And as you can see, tax rate management and shipping overrides. As you can see, now you can make a lot of changes here. As you can see, you can also click on manage here, where it says Shopify, and as you can see, it says here choose how your store calculates and collates sales tax in the United States. You can, for example, activate basic tax. As you can see, low level of considerable amount of upkeep. As you can see, a highly accurate automated service. You can choose which one you want. So this one, as you can see, fees, this one is none. The fees are none, even if you reach $100,000 in the US, in the United States each year. You are not going to be to charge, Shopify is not going to charge you sales tax. Okay, if you select for example this one, manual tax, activate manual tax, as you can see, give the reason you are downgrading of, for example, business in tax, activate manual tax. And here, as you can see, each state you will have to add the percentage and the sales tax. As you can see here guys, if it's instead of federal tax, 0 federal tax. as you can see, you can make a lot of changes here, as you can see. Now go back, and as you can see here, you can also, if you want to collect taxes from Australia, you can do that here. Click on Australia, and then you want to click on add region. You want to click on MBN number. You can get this number from Australia if you live in Australia, or you have a business in Australia. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.